Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. So, I'm standing here in my closet and I was looking for some papers and I have made a mess. So, since I couldn't find what I was looking for, I decided to reorganize and redo my closet. So, I have a pile of stuff in the back here that I'm going to give away. I need to rearrange and clean out, get rid of some shoes as well. I have this rack here at the bottom. I have storage underneath. This is some of my stuff that I use to do my crafts with, as well as things that I have purchased to revamp the bedroom. So what I need to do is just organize and just declutter and get rid of some things. Now my closet is not a large closet, but it's not that small. It's like a 6x6 room. I have my purses stored on top. On this side, there's 2 shelves. And on this side, I have shoes that I keep in a box. These are shoes I don't wear as often, so they're on that side in the boxes. On this side, as you can see, are my dresses. And of course, at the bottom, more shoes. And on this side, I have this built-in chest, which I'm about or starting to take apart. So this is going to be a lengthy process, but I plan to take it out. So you can see all of everything that I had stored in there, which I can't even tell you the amount of stuff that I had stored in there. Don't need it. So I took it all out, as well as I took out everything and I took the top of it off. Now, I've also moved most of the clothes that was on that side, which consist of my blouses, sweaters, jackets, and I had a few suits. So that's all taken out. So I'm just working on trying to get this thing loose, and I've been hammering and hammering and hammering, and for whatever reason, I guess I am in a 100-year-old house, and I don't know how old this thing is, but it looks like it was built into the wall back then. I'm going to try to just keep on taking this thing loose to get these pieces of wood out of the wall and off the floor here. So I'm going to keep working at trying to get these pieces of wood off the wall, that piece in the corner, and on this side I have to get the piece where I broke it off and take the front off. I'm back and I've gotten all of the wood down, and now I'm faced with trying to clean up all of the clutter at the bottom. Now it looks like they put some kind of wallpaper or covering on the inside, so I got to peel all of that off as well, and then fill any holes that I've left in the wall. Plus put all of my stuff, all of my clothes on the bed, back in the closet, all of the stuff that I have displaced, and get rid of all of this wood that I have taken out of the closet. I got to clean up all of this clutter. So back to the closet. Let's pull this wallpaper off, and it seems to be coming off fairly easy. So I'm going to pull all of this off and peel this paper back in the bottom. All the floors are painted. So since the floors are painted, I'm not going to try to change the paint or anything. We're going to leave that. Of course, we're just going to clean it up and leave it as is. With that being said, I'm going to patch these holes and smooth out the wall as best I can. And while that dries, I'm going to run to the hardware store and pick up me some shelving to put my purses on. And when I get back, we shall be ready to paint the closet because everything will be dry. I'm back from the hardware store and I've already started to paint the bottom half of the closet. Now, I'm not going to paint the floors or touch the floors. They were already painted white. I'm just going to wash them down again and continue to put a second coat of paint where the built-in was. As you can see, my patching wasn't that great, but the holes are filled, and I'm just going to add the second coat and continue to clean the floors. Now you can see I've moved everything out of the closet and I'm mopping it once more again before I start to put everything together. Now here is the shelving unit that I bought. I picked this up from Menards and it was $19.99. I think it's 5 shelves, but let's put it together and see. At this point, I got it. I'm going to finish putting the stand together and start to put my clothes back in and organize, and I'll come back to share with you guys what I've done so far. Okay guys, I'm back and I have put my clothes back in the closet. I did move them around. On this side, I have all of my camisoles. My painting is done. So starting from the front is my camisoles, then to my short sleeve shirts, to long sleeve shirts, and then I have sweaters, light sweaters for the season, jackets for the season, and then I go into my skirts and then my trousers. That's what I have on this side. As you can see, all of my purses, I have put them on the shelves. It is 4-tier shelving. And I do plan to go back and pick up another one to make more room for my handbags. I placed my structured handbags on the top shelf, and then on the second shelf I placed again more structured purses. Those that are flat and smaller, I put them on the third shelf, and then on the bottom shelf I have my larger bags that don't need to be stretched out. That's why I want to get another rack to space out the handbags a little bit more. Now on the bottom here I have a little clear tube with all my wallets. These are wallets that I change up because I like my wallet to match my handbag. Here is a box of tissue that could actually go downstairs with boxes, gift boxes and things of that nature. But right now I just stuck it back in the closet because I didn't want to take the trip to the basement. And all the way in the corner here, the green box is my sewing box. I do sew. So that has like sewing material and things like that in it. The little round box on top is my thread. And then you can also see here in the corner is some bedding that I have purchased for my new space. On top, I have shoes. Now these are more of my summer shoes. I don't wear them a lot, but I decided to put them on this side, and on this side is more of my fall shoes and closed toes, and that's what's on this side of the closet. Now I had a few lingerie hangers and I didn't have anything to do with them, so I just stuck them on the shelf. On the top shelf again is papers and pictures and a couple more shoes on the top shelf. Now on the other side, at the bottom, I have the old shoe rack. So I put that over here. Now these are shoes that I wear more often. I do have a pair of boots there, which will come out on that shelf because I keep my boots in the closet, in the box, and another closet. But on this side of the closet, you'll see my dresses are still here, and I have my short sleeve going into my calf sleeve and then to the long sleeves. So, and I try to keep them by length as well. And then I kept up here just a few suits. I might have a dozen of suits up here. Guys, believe it or not, I used to have 45 to 50 suits, and this is what I have left. I did hang my belts back on the hooks that were in the back of the closet. They're there. So I think my closet project turned out pretty good. I just need to pick up a couple more shelves for my purses so that I can spread them out a bit and also go through maybe and get rid of a few. If I get rid of a few, that means I can get a few more. So now you can see I'm standing back and you can kind of see a better view of how my closet turned out. So if you guys have enjoyed watching this video and its content, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to come back. Thank you for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in the next one.